Hey guys, welcome to LA Love Creative. Today we're doing a review of these two bad boys right here. We got the Sony Zeiss 55 and the Sony 24-70 f4 lens. And today we're gonna shoot a fashion shoot, kind of take both of these lenses, put them through their paces, and see which one I should get for the A7 III. One of the things I like to consider is size, affordability, and quality. And these two lenses are complete beast. Cool thing about the 24-70 is, even though it's not the G Master, I kind of like that it's not. The G Master 24-70 2.8 is a beautiful lens, but it's heavy, it's costly, it's a huge cost difference. On the flip side, at 50 millimeters, it is quite the beast, to a point where if you took the 55 and the 24-70 at 50 and 55, or 55 and 55, I don't know if you would actually tell the difference of these lenses at f4. The only thing that would be a major difference here would be that 1.4 aperture with the 55. I kind of wanted to try both of them and see which one I want, and I kind of want both. Okay, cut. Damn, I might not be able to return them after I keep clanking them. As a videographer, what lens do you get? The 55 1.8 is an awesome lens, great bokeh, great for documentaries, great for commercial work. Autofocuses really well. I would definitely say this is a great lens for the close-up type shots. The 24-70 is pretty good though. I mean, it locks on really good. It being an f4 lens makes autofocus really easy. Sharpness, they're both extremely sharp. At 55, you're not going to tell the difference on each lens. At 24, even the 70, both of these lenses perform really well. The question is, which kind of focal length do you actually want? One of the reasons why I got the 24-70 is because I actually ordered the Tamron 28-75. That lens has not shown up. And a part of me is now wondering, do I actually need that lens if I keep this? That's to be determined. When I finally get the Tamron 28-75, I'll probably do a review, maybe comparing it with this lens. I will say, if you need a wide angle lens, the 24-70 f4 gets slept on, and it is a pretty damn good lens. So the question is, what lens do you get for your A7 III? The 24-70 f4 Zeiss or the 55 1.8? Or the better question is, which lens am I actually considering? For me, I do a lot of fashion work, I do a lot of commercial work and documentary work, but I need that beautiful bokeh. And on the flip side, I still have the 28-75 lens coming from Tamron. Who knows when, but it's coming. So for me, I think I'm gonna go with the 55 1.8. I think they're both great lenses. I actually even might consider keeping both. Time will tell, and we'll see if I actually want to spend $2,000 on that. If you like this video, make sure you share, like, subscribe. We are LA Love Creative. See you next time.